Hey class, today what we're going to do, we're going to talk about the last, or another voting method. This one's the pairwise comparison. So in this one, what we're going to do is, this one's kind of like a matchup one. So basically, all the voters, we're going to rank all the voters, or all the voters are going to rank all the candidates. So we get our preference ballot just like we have before. Then we're going to pair any two candidates. Whoever wins between those two candidates, whoever has the most votes, is then going to go up against somebody else. So every time, that's going to guarantee, as long as they have more votes, as long as they should have a majority, if we're just matching up two numbers or two candidates. And then that candidate, so let's say A and B, they go up against each other. A wins, then A is going to go up against C, and we're going to keep on going until we've used all of the candidates overall. So let's do an example. So same preference table. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at a matchup. So we're going to pair two numbers. So let's say we're going to have A versus B. So what we want to do is just go through each column, and we're going to say whoever is preferred in that column, they're going to get all those votes. So in this first column, I'm looking at A versus B. So A is preferred over B. A would be their second choice, B would be their third choice. So A is going to get those 6 votes. Then what we go to next, so that next one, A is going to get 7, so A is preferred over B. Here, B is preferred over A, so they're going to get those 5 votes. Here, A is preferred over B. Here, B is preferred over A. And for that last one, A is preferred over B. So then we tally those up, so that's going to be 10, 19, so that's going to be 19, and that's going to be 14, so 19, so A is going to win that matchup. So what's going to happen now is A is going to go up against C or D, whichever one you want to pick, but it doesn't really matter. So then we go through and look and say A versus C. So C gets those 6 votes. Here we're looking here, so A is going to get those 7 votes. C is going to get those 5. A is going to get those 3. Here we got A is going to get those 9. And then for that last one, A is going to get those 3, so A would win again. So now that A wins, so now A is going to go up versus D for this last matchup. Whoever wins this one would win overall. So whoever wins the last matchup is going to be your winner. So A here, so A is going to get those 6 votes. A is going to get those 7 votes. D is going to get those 5 votes. A is going to get those 3. A is going to get those 9, and D is going to get those 3. So we add those numbers up, A is going to win again. So who would win in our pairwise comparison? A is going to win that pairwise comparison. So you just match up everybody, and whoever wins the last matchup, so if they win there, they go on to the next one. If they win there, they go on to the next one. And then if they win the last one, if D had won here, then D would then be the winner. So whoever wins that last matchup is going to be your winner, and that is pairwise comparison.